Hey, this is Gabriel at MarineMax in St. Pete, and today we're on a brand new 28 Molokai Cat. So this is Aquila's first introduction into the offshore fishing series. This Molokai Cat's actually, it's called the Molokai Cat because it was made in the island of Molokai in Hawaii. It was made as a chase boat for all the rowboat races that they had here. So made for some deep blue water, made to get really, really shallow as well with a 12-inch draft. So this boat can be used for a lot of different things. Right now we're going to make our way through the boat. We're going to go past the jump seats back here. So easy jump seats that fold down if you wanted to sit back there. You have a live well here, sink here, tackle box storage forward. Make your way forward. Fish boxes down below, very, very deep fish boxes. I could fit in each of these fish boxes. Room for two 12-inch displays. This one has one 12-inch display, plus your vessel view, plus your fusion head unit. Digital throttles from Mercury. On the back of this, we have two 200 Mercs. Very easy to control. The motors are very far apart, so makes for a great user experience. Make your way forward here. Lots of cushions about, so lots of amenities if you're taking the boat to the sandbar with the family or just bar hopping. But you can also take all of this off. It's all non-skidded underneath, and it's a fishing machine. So fish boxes below the seats here, a big anchor well forward. And then here, what every family really wants to see, your incredibly large head for this boat. So as you can see, very family oriented boat, but also a fishing machine. Rides extremely well, cuts the water, again, made for deep blue water. So if you want any more information, call MarineMax in St. Pete. My name is Gabriel Gonzalez. Thanks for watching.